Okay, we've got the ear cleaner with camera. And let's see if I can kill some glare here. Okay. It's very shiny, this box. Let's have a look. Oh, it's just a tab. Okay. All right. Box is so shiny, it looks like it's got plastic wrap on it when it doesn't. Okay, so you get a little brush. You get some metal instruments, little scoops and things. You get your manual. You get your cleaning device, which says wireless otoscope on it. Obviously needs a charge. And then, I don't know if you can see, let's see if I can get this to focus. Yeah, nice little rubberized ear scoop, and get in there and do what you gotta do. It's a cool little device. I've seen these before. It's actually a pretty decent picture. And it comes with a USB charger. And then you get some replacement, little vial of replacement rubber add-on devices so that you can replace the one that's on it for retrieval and removal of whatever is in your ear. Interesting. Very popular in Japan, these things, I'm told. It is the ear cleaning camera. Runs on Wi-Fi and it's HD. It's a 1080p image. Should be cool. Check her out.